Automated license plate recognition allows for automated identification of vehicles. However, existing solutions are not capable of operating without visible illumination and require server-grade hardware to operate. This limits their deployment potential. This is caused due to lack of large-scale infrared license plate datasets and the difficulty of running deep learning models in edge devices. Our research addresses both of these issues. When it comes to edge devices, there is no one size that fits all. While some can give high computing power, others are more cheaper and power efficient. Therefore, we considered three different hardware solutions. A higher tier powered by a combination of Intel Neural Compute Stick and Raspberry Pi 3, which gives great computing power at the expense of unit cost. A lower tier powered by a Raspberry Pi Zero gives very low unit cost while still being able to run deep learning models. A middle tier powered by just a Raspberry Pi 3 gives a balance of computing power and unit cost. These were combined with a motion trigger powered by an ESP32 and a PIR sensor to reduce power consumption. The system input will be provided by a Raspberry Pi No IR camera, and the system output will be delivered as an SMS alert using the SIM900 GSM module. In order to address the lack of data, we used a synthetic data generation process developed using a fix-to-fix generative adversarial network. This network converts daytime images to nighttime infrared images. This shows the results of that network. In order to develop our deep learning models, we use two differentiable neural architecture search strategies, FBNet and PCDARTS. This allowed us to develop models optimized for each hardware tier separately. We used a two-stage processing pipeline where first stage detects the license plate and the second stage recognizes the license plate. This was used in order to reduce the overall memory consumption. We evaluated our models with both daytime and nighttime images. For daytime license plate detection, we achieved an average precision of 93% versus 94% for the current state-of-the-art server-grade models. For daytime license plate recognition, we achieved an accuracy of 99% versus 98% for the current state-of-the-art models. For nighttime license plate detection, we achieved an average precision of 84.5% versus 84.6% for the current state-of-the-art models. For nighttime license plate recognition, we achieved an accuracy of 94.7% versus 97.3% for the current state-of-the-art models. We managed to achieve these results while having up to 37% better latency and having up to 97% smaller memory footprint. Our system had a peak power consumption of 0.8 to 6.2 watts depending on the hardware tier, giving us battery life of up to 132 hours of sustained use. This video shows our higher tier model in action. As you can see, the system is capable of operating under complete darkness without any visible illumination. As we have demonstrated, our system is capable of operating at night without any visible illumination, purely on edge devices, with performance comparable with current state-of-the-art server models.